Hi everybody, this is Angel and I'm here now with my niece, Wandash, and she's going to read a story for us.
Oh, go na. Pag sinabing go, ano yan, lalabas siya sa YouTube.
Help me please. Please.
Lakas.
And race to the party. That says a dog, it follows him. Can we let him in as Jim? He is hungry, says God. Okay, answer Mom. Mom puts some food in a bowl. The dog is happy. Whose dog is this? Asked Dad. I don't know, says Mom. Let's make a poster to find the owner. Find the says Dad. It's easy. Your dog, it has a round tail.
There's Winnie and there's Precious, my baby niece. They're cooking in bed. And over here, this little girl is still reading her book.
It as an old lady.
Look, they're also cooking here, eating in bed. There's Winnie.
Thank you for finding my dog.
And look at this little girl here wearing a pair of jeans. Say hi! Hi!
Get set, go!
Hi, Winnie! And dance. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say something. Say something.
Sayo kayo ni ate, o, dali. Eto, nagsasayaw, o, sige. Sayaw,
Nina, ano ba video natin?
Okay, ready? Second book.
Race to the party.
Galing. Okay.
The fairies and elves
Daan, dali.
want
Kasi
to
malambot
join
lang
the
ito.
party. Who will get there first? They are going to have a race. How do we
Yung
go
Apple,
there?
yung iPad mo.
Ay, oo,
Go
mamaya
there
na. Mamaya,
by
huwag mong
plane.
galawin, ha.
Let's go to the airport by taxi. How can we go down the river? We can go down in the boat. Let's go to the fair by train.
Thank you.
Hurry up.
Diyos ko, baka
Let's
tamaan.
run. Our legs will get us there first. That way, let's fly. Our wings will get us there first. This way, faster. Nina!
Tandaan mo to, ha.
Tapos na. Ay, diba? Nina, wait lang ha. Well, all won the race. Tapos na.
Ay, wala akong load.
Nina, wala na. Baby kangaroo. I am big. Baby kangaroo saw a spider. I am big. Baby kangaroo saw a mouse. I am big. Baby kangaroo saw a bird. I am big.
Di ba pupunta tayo dun sa SNR?
Baby
Sinabi ko sa
kangaroo
postal.
saw a rabbit.
Yung,
I
yung
am
The end.